Okay guys, this is a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500, 5.3 liter motor. This is a clean title trade-in that I just took in. Skid plate there. This does have the long bed, 6.5 foot bed. 6 passenger. Does have the keyless entry.
Visit boxeldercounty.com.
$180, 670, 647 on the miles. Has cruise. Your trailer brake. Like windows, power mirrors, windows and locks. Backup camera. It is 4-wheel drive. VIN number. A few little chips up there. Dent there in this back bumper. Just have a bed liner there. I do have the spare tire for it. See, there is a little damage through here. Also some damage through here. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.